Chris Houston Poole. I work for ZF Industries here in Tuscaloosa. I'm a group leader, basically oversee everybody, kind of like a boss. ZF Industries is a worldwide corporation. We build the chassis systems for Mercedes. I got started, my dad actually has been here for 22 years. So right when I was getting ready to graduate high school, I didn't want to go to college. I wasn't the type that I liked school. So he told me, he said, hey, I might be able to get you on out here at ZF. Went on a senior trip with a bunch of friends, and I started here 3 days later. He got me on as a temp. I started cleaning parts, and after they seen that, I paid attention to what I was doing, I came to work every day. They moved me up, put me on the production line, and then, up from there, you have several places where you can move if you just, do your job the right way. And now I'm here, group leader, almost 10 years later. Everything we do, we put together. Therefore, we're manufacturing a thing to go into the automotive industry. Now, being here, there's been several opportunities where management has come to me and like, hey, we would like you to step into this position, but here, you may not feel college right when you get out, but afterwards, like being in the industry, you may see a different area that you want to go into, and they actually have tuition reimbursement here. You can work and go to school, and then when you graduate, they'll find you a job. There's always opportunities for advancement. They're always looking for new people, new ways to do stuff, and I love, it's never going to be the same thing every day. You're always going to have something different. I've learned a lot about PLC programming. I've learned a lot about robotics. I've learned a lot about torque specs, stuff that you'll learn about, but I would say it's a lot deeper than what just you see, on camera or see through people talking. So right now the robot's going off. With my position, I go over here and try to assist them in any way I can. Step it back to home, and I'm gonna bypass the top robot connection. That's what, for some reason, the robot control didn't actually send it to the HMI, so it thought it was supposed to go back down the top. Position one, position two, position three, but it goes in the exact opposite order. We got it fixed. All right, she's wide open now. I personally know people that's been here over 20 years, and they've went from, like I said, quality inspected knuckles all the way up to production supervisors, and there's plenty of opportunities everywhere. If you're a person that likes to troubleshoot anything really with your hands, there's always new stuff to learn. So if you love learning stuff and learning more about how things work, then this is a great opportunity.
I'm Courtney Franklin, a maintenance apprentice. Really, main duties that we have is to provide support for production. So whenever they have a breakdown, they call us to come and get it back up and running. So our job is really to know the line, know the function, but then also know the technologies that go into building the car. Right here, this is front door section, and so we build the front doors to the car. It's the 205 model. Robot comes in, and he's going to take the inner right here, the window frame, and then he marries him up over here. He'll pick from the conveyor what's already been welded. He lays them down in here to add reinforcements. Basically, we've got a spot welder right here, and that's just another form of joining that we use. We have spot welding, laser welding, we have MIG welding, and the sealer. We also use sealer here. On down the line, it finishes up the doors, and then it's married on the main line to the car. I came into the program straight out of high school, which is really great because Mercedes was able to pay for the majority of our schooling while we were able to come into the plant part-time and get hands-on experience and get paid for that as well. There's so many different opportunities at Mercedes alone that once you get your foot in the door and you get to know people, make connections, really the opportunity is endless opportunities out here. They even offer a reimbursement program for you to go back and get a 4-year degree if you want. So they really encourage just growth out of their employees. So it's something I appreciate as an employee. Overall, I'd really like to encourage anyone that even has a slight interest in this field, in the automotive industry, to get in it because you have a lot of opportunities available. I know I'm really happy that I got in this field because I look at it as a career opportunity, not just a job.